Hello friends, welcome to my channel Daily Life Affairs. In today's video, we will be talk about the Whitehead Junior interview process, like how to apply here, what are the steps of the interview, question asked in the interview and many more. So let's get started. Whitehead Junior is an online platform made for the children ages from 6 to 15. Here, teachers teach the fundamentals of coding to the kids so that kids can think creatively and they can also generate creative outcomes like games, apps, and animations. In Whitehead Junior, they hire only women candidates. Yes, so this is a best opportunity for women who wants to resume their career. Freshers can also apply in the Whitehead Junior. Here, you can earn online from 30,000 to 50,000 per month and more if you take more classes. Now, what are the qualification and skills are required to join Whitehead Junior as teacher is first they required minimal coding experience. So you should have some basic coding language. If you know about C, C++, HTML, JavaScript, Python, then it will be plus for you. Fluency in English is a must. Your communication skills should be good so that you can communicate with kids globally as well. They will prefer if you have any college degree in computer codes like BTech, MTech, BCA, and MCA. You should be able to make minimum 30 hour per week classes. And the last requirement is you should have one laptop with good internet speed. And that's it. If you fulfill these requirements, then go to their website, which is www.whiteheadjunior.com/teacher. Or I will also put a link below in the description. Fill all the required fields like name, qualification, coding experience, and apply it there. If they liked your profile or if you shortlisted, then Whitehead Junior recruitment team will mail you or their recruitment team will contact you within 48 hours. Now there are 5 steps or you can say 5 rounds of interview. First is telephonic interview, second is technical setup round, demo 1 round, demo 2 round, and the final is demo 3 round. I will explain these rounds one by one. When you got your first call, this call is nothing but a telephonic interview where they will ask you about yourself, your qualification, and your skills. They will also check your communication skills here. They will also ask you about laptop and a broadband connection with good internet speed. Here, they can not ask any coding related question, but they will ask you uh, whether you have some basic coding knowledge or not. So now, if they satisfy with your answer, then interviewer will send you an email for technical setup round and demo 1 round. Now, what is technical setup round? Technical round is not about coding. This round is only to check whether you have a laptop or not and your internet is working properly or not. Here the Whitehead Junior person will explain you about the video panel where your demo 1 will happen. The person will explain about how to connect the video panel, how to join the class, how to share screen with a student, what are the tools and how to use them by the time of demo 1 round. In this round, you can even ask any doubts related to the demo 1 round. Now for the demo 1 round, they will send you an email which has date and time for your demo 1 round. This email also contains one PDF and one video which is related to this PDF. This PDF has the teaching material which you need to prepare. You have to prepare first 25 pages of this PDF. The PDF contains one coding activity which you have to explain to the student. In this case, it is the interviewer. They will also send you one demo video like how to prepare the PDF, how to teach the student, and how to engage them during the class. So don't worry about the PDF. Watch the video carefully and prepare your PDF accordingly. Demo 1 round will be taken by any junior person of the Whitehead team. This person will act as a student and you need to teach him or her. Now, my suggestion for every round is do not jump directly into the coding part or the teaching activity portion. First, introduce yourself, talk to kid, like can you tell me about yourself so that we can know each other, and what is your favorite color, like these questions, so that the kid feel comfortable. In this round, they will evaluate you by following points. First, they will check your communication skills. As I have told you earlier, that fluency in English is must. They will also check whether you are following the PDF properly or not. Are you able to engage kid or not? They will check your confidence here, so don't be nervous. They will evaluate you according to your teaching skills as well. Are you explaining to kid each and every step, like how to share screen, how to come out to the full screen mode, like these? So again, if interview like your teaching, then he or she will promote you for the next round, which is demo 2 round, or he or she will reject you here. In demo 2 round, again, they will send you one PDF and one video which is related to the PDF. Demo 2 round will be taken by senior person, and now this round is similar to demo 1 round, but here the expectations will high. Here you need to prepare full PDF. In demo 2 round, interviewer will evaluate you in the following points: communication skills, introduction part, like how do you introduce yourself and do you able to make it comfortable? How do you explain the teacher activity? How do you help the student during student activity? Are you explaining each and every step? Are you performing all the steps? Here they can also check or ask you some questions related to the activity to check your coding skills as well. So be prepared for that as well. They will also check your wrap up portion. Means here you need to invite the parents and give them a quick summary about their course. So you need to explain all the modules they are providing. Be creative on the wrap up part. If interviewer like your teaching skills, then he or she will promote you for the next round, which is demo 3 round, and it is a final round. Now demo 3 round will be taken by senior most person or manager of Whitehead Junior. This round is a little bit tough round, so you need to be perfect in each and every step. You need to give your best shot. This round is exact replica of a live session. The interviewer will act like a student and you need to teach him or her. Interviewer will give you some fixed time to finish your teaching. You need to finish your session in the given time, including introduction, teaching activity, teacher activity, sorry, students activity, and the wrap up portion. Here, interviewer will check your communication skills, your confidence, your coding skills. In this round, be ready with variable questions. Like interview can ask you coding related questions which is not mentioned in given PDF. So be prepared with extra questions related to the PDF activity. I will tell you some general questions like how to draw triangle, square, hexagon, or octagon in JavaScript. How to change a background color with random colors in the given time interval. Questions like the turtle, which is nothing but a coding tool, should draw a circle when you click on the button. And so many questions which is related to the activity. Here, I'm giving you some idea about questions. These questions might be changed. They are related to the activity given in the PDF. So be prepared with extra assignments. Now I will tell you key points to remember in this round, which will really help you to get selected in demo 3 round. Since this is a final round, the session has to be energetic and interactive. That means session cannot be dull or a one-way conversation. Create a wow factor in the session. The interviewer must feel what an amazing teacher came on the platform. Keep the student engaged. Encourage and appreciate the student throughout the session, like great, wow, that's nice, cool. Use these words. Follow the flow of the PDF given on the panel. Here You will be evaluated on your communication skills like grammatical errors, sentence construction, pronunciations, and technical skills. Wrap up round should be well performed. It should not be scripted, so be creative in a wrap up portion. So, again, if everything is fine and if they like your teaching skill, then you will get selected. Now you are ready for the live session with GET. Although the selection process of Whitehead Junior is rigorous, but it comes to the standard of teaching they offer to their students, right? So that's all here about Whitehead Junior interview process. If you still have any doubt, write me on the comment section. Till then, bye and take care.